Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heat guns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Genesis GHG 1500A Dual Temperature Heat Gun Kit. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $17, making it a steal for those who need a reliable heat gun without breaking the bank. Despite its low price, it packs a powerful 1500-watt motor and offers dual temperature settings at 572 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with 4 nozzles for versatility, including deflector and reflector nozzles, which are perfect for tasks like thawing pipes or protecting glass surfaces. In terms of design and build quality, the Genesis heat gun features a durable plastic body with a straightforward rocker switch for temperature control. It's lightweight at 2 pounds and includes an integrated stand for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. However, the shorter cord length, 6.5 feet, might limit mobility in larger projects. Performance-wise, the Genesis excels at basic DIY tasks such as removing paint, shrinking plastic wrap, and even lighting charcoal grills without lighter fluid. While it doesn't have advanced features like variable temperature control, it's sufficient for small-scale projects and casual use. Overall, this is an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers, though professionals might find it lacking in power and fine-tuned controls. At number 4, we have the Seacone Heat Gun 1800-watt heavy-duty fast heat hot air gun kit. With a price tag of $19.99, this model is an economical choice that doesn't compromise on power. It offers 2 heat settings, 752 degrees Fahrenheit and 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, and heats up in seconds thanks to its robust 1800-watt motor. This heat gun also comes with 4 nozzles, expanding its versatility for tasks like craft embossing, thawing pipes, and even automotive applications. The Seacone boasts an ergonomic design with a non-slip TPE rubber handle and flame-resistant materials for added safety. A convenient hanging hook and built-in vertical stand make it easy to store and use for extended periods without fatigue. However, some users have reported a mild burning odor during the first use, which is attributed to the anti-rust coating on the heating core, a minor inconvenience. In terms of performance, this heat gun is UL certified for reliability and features overheat protection, making it a safe choice for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. While it doesn't have the polished finish of higher-end models, it delivers impressive value for the price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly heat gun that can handle moderate workloads, the Seacone is a solid pick. Taking the 3rd spot is the Wagner Spraytech HT1000 heat gun, priced at $27.50. This model is perfect for home improvement enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for tasks like softening paint, bending plastic pipes, and loosening rusted bolts. It features dual temperature settings at 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, along with 2 fan speeds for adjustable airflow, making it versatile for various projects. Design-wise, the Wagner HT1000 is compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.5 pounds. The corrosion-resistant nozzle ensures durability, while the integrated stand allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety during use. The built-in hanging hook is a nice touch for convenient storage, though some users might wish for a more robust cord length for flexibility. When it comes to performance, the Wagner excels in delivering consistent heat for household projects. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for prolonged use, and its ETL certification ensures safety. While it lacks advanced features like variable temperature control, it's a dependable option for casual DIYers. If durability and straightforward functionality are what you're after, the Wagner HT1000 won't disappoint. Coming in at number 2 is the Seacone Heat Gun 1800W Variable Temperature Control model, priced at $28.99. This heavy-duty heat gun stands out for its impressive temperature range of 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, which can be precisely adjusted using a black dial. It features 2 airflow settings and comes with overheat protection to safeguard the device from damage. With 4 included nozzles, it's versatile enough for tasks like stripping paint, shrinking PVC, and loosening rusted bolts. The Seacone heat gun's ergonomic design minimizes strain during extended use, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. It's slightly heavier at 1.98 pounds, but offers a sturdy build that ensures longevity. Its cord length of 5.2 feet is adequate for most projects, though it could be longer for added convenience. Performance-wise, this heat gun is a powerhouse, heating up to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1.5 seconds. Its variable temperature control gives it an edge over models with fixed settings, allowing users to tailor the heat output to their specific needs. While it's not the cheapest option on this list, the Seacone delivers excellent value for those who need precision and power in their heat gun. Finally, claiming the top spot is the Black Decker Heat Gun HG1300, priced at $33.99. This premium model is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who need a dependable tool for heavy-duty applications like stripping paint, thawing pipes, and loosening rusted nuts. It features dual temperature settings at 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, powered by a 1,350-watt motor. The built-in stand and 3-position side handle enhance safety and control during use. Black Decker's heat gun is lightweight at 1.63 pounds, with a sleek black and orange design that prioritizes comfort and maneuverability. The corded design ensures unlimited runtime, making it suitable for extended projects. It even includes a glass protect nozzle, which is perfect for delicate tasks involving sensitive surfaces. In terms of performance, this model delivers consistent heat output and is backed by a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Black Decker heat gun justifies its price with superior build quality and reliability. If you're looking for a professional-grade tool with great versatility, this is the heat gun to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.